Alright everyone, I'm here with another. I've been scrapbooking a lot of myself lately. Okay, so my background is Pink Paisley, Paige Evans Horizon number 3. And anyway, so this is a picture of me. I did a selfie after I was doing yard work. Hot and sweaty. And I'm going to use that from Crepe Paper Blue layer, which is I did a photo mat, and the circle is going to be Pink Paisley, Paige Evans Horizon 16. And that is all I do for paper layers. Just stretch. Cuts now. I'm going to go through the die cuts, I'm going to go through the stickers, and then we're just going to figure out what we're going to use from there. I want to do a circle, and that's when I end up doing that same blue layer as my photo mat. And then I go embellishment heavy on this layout. And this is my 4th layout using the April kit. I'm going to go ahead and write what I did. Oh man, really? The birds have been outside eating on my bird feeder, and now the squirrel comes back. Oh, never mind. My birds are still there. So there's 2 tufted titmice waiting to eat. Yeah, get it while you can, birdies. Alright, so now I have my, oopsie, sorry, Pam. Now I hit my cutter, my chair. Oops. Let me slide up a little bit. Just trying to figure out which embellishments I'm going to use. I like these tags, but they have stuff on top, so it's hard to cover them up. So you really have to do a layout where they're exposed. They're not any tags where you can cover them up because they're too pretty. So my die cuts are Pink Paisley's Horizon Ephemera. The dimensional stickers that you see me using, like that rosette ribbon, for instance, though in the phrase stickers as well, or in this right, and just stickers are Dear Lizzie. That circle and a few of those others are chipboard stickers, and they are American Crafts Horizon stickers. And that pretty much takes care of which embellishments I use. So I'm just placing everything down. Like I said, I do go over that, especially this with the circle. I put a lot of embellishments over there. I tend to go light on embellishments and then I have so much left over. So I've been trying to do a little bit more, using a little bit more on each layout, more on others, more on some than others, but I got to try to use up because I got a drawer of, and not to mention the container. I have a small glass container and then a small little cardboard container that has all kinds of leftover bits and pieces left from past kits. That's a freckle fawn. That's a freckle fawn. Hey, how did my packaging get in there? And these are 2 star stickers. A gold sticker. Yeah, these are all kinds of bits and pieces. I'm just kind of going through them and looking while I'm doing this. Wow, there's a lot in here. Good Lord. Oopsies, I think some fell back there. So when I move, I will find them. So I'm going, oh, crud. I just dropped out my sequins. I'll stick those sequins in here. Alright, so I'm going to do my title. Rare and Beautiful are Pink Press Studios Everyday Mucin stickers from a past kit. We got sequins in this May kit, so I'll add these pink paisley sequins that fell out to it. There we go. I only dropped out a few. Okay, and the ampersand is a die cut from the Pink Paisley Horizon stickers. Or die cut, sorry. So when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys.